All right, here it is. This is my first wheel build. Rear hub. It's at Industry 9, 1-to-1, 12 by 148. 12 is the axle. 148 is this width. Boost is the more modern geometry. I use DT Swiss, Squarks, 15mm nipples, DT Swiss spokes. These are double butted. You can almost see it here, but it's thicker at one end, and then it gets thicker here. The hard part of this for me was lacing a 28-hole 3-cross pattern. First time I did it, I failed, and I had to take the entire wheel apart and do it all over again. To get to tension, I took several days to get to full tension, and this wheel's pretty true. It's really nice. You want to hear the sound of the hub? Here it is. Now this hub is from the factory. I did not take out the freewheel or add any grease or oil. This is lube from the factories. This has never been ridden. I have not made it tubeless yet. I have a secret for doing that. Should ride nice.